You've probably heard that to get rid of man boobs, all you need to do is hit the gym and lift weight, right? Well, while lifting weights can help, it's not the magic solution most people think it is. In fact, you can lose man boobs at home without any equipment. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to reveal the most important thing you can do to finally say goodbye to man boobs for good. First, let's talk about what man boobs actually are. Man boobs, or gynecomastia, is a condition where men develop excess fat or glandular tissue in their chest, giving the appearance of breast. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including hormone imbalances, poor diet, lack of exercise, and overall body fat. But don't worry, with the approach I'm going to share with you in this video, you can tackle this issue in the comfort of your home. Now, let's get into the exercises you can do right at home with no equipment. These exercises will help you burn fat overall while also strengthening your chest muscles, which will help reduce the appearance of man boobs. Let's start with the push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic compound exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They help build muscle and burn calories at the same time. When done correctly, they can really help in tightening up the chest area. Here is how to do them. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. If regular push-ups are too challenging, you can modify them by doing knee push-ups or incline push-ups. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are another excellent exercise because they're not only great for your chest, but also for burning fat across your entire body. They're high intensity, which means they'll help you burn more calories in less time. To perform the mountain climbers, start in a push-up position with your arms straight and your body forming a straight line from your shoulders to your ankles. Quickly bring one knee up toward your chest, then switch legs, moving as if you're running in your place. Try to do 3 sets of 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your fitness level. Plank to push-up. This exercise combines core stability with chest strength. It's a great way to work your upper body while also engaging your abs, which is crucial for an overall toned appearance. To do the plank to push-up exercise, start in a plank position on your forearms, push up onto your hands one at a time, transitioning into a full push-up position. Lower back down onto your forearms. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. Focus on keeping your body straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. Exercise is crucial, but to really lose man boobs, you need to take care of your body in other ways too. 3 often overlooked factors are sleep, stress management, and hydration. Not getting enough sleep can mess with your hormones, particularly the ones that regulate fat storage and muscle recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help your body recover and burn fat more efficiently. Also, high stress levels can lead to an increase in cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, especially in the chest and abdominal areas. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, or even just taking a walk can help reduce stress. And when it comes to hydration, staying hydrated helps your body function optimally, including your metabolism. Drinking enough water can also help reduce water retention, which can make your chest look more defined. Finally, the most important thing you can do to get rid of that annoying chest fat is your diet. A good diet is the foundation of a successful fat loss journey. You simply can't out-exercise a bad diet, especially when it comes to losing man boobs. A great diet has 4 pillars. The first pillar is cutting down on processed foods. Foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats that increase fat storage, especially in the chest area. The second pillar is boosting protein intake, which helps build muscle and keeps you feeling full, which in turn can prevent overeating. The third pillar is reducing alcohol consumption. Alcohol can mess with your hormones and lead to fat gain, so limiting your intake can make a big difference. And the fourth pillar is eating in a caloric deficit, where you consume fewer calories than you burn, which is mandatory for losing body fat. including the fat in your chest. So there you have it. Getting rid of man boobs at home is absolutely possible with the right exercises, proper sleep, stress management, hydration, and most importantly, a solid diet. If you want to take your diet to the next level, check out this video about the best foods that are scientifically proven to burn fat. It will definitely help with your goal of losing man boobs. And finally, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below to share your thoughts. And until the next one.